Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix video color problem in VLC Media Player. So guys, to fix and resolve this problem, you can try this method. Open your video. Now here click on Effects and Filters. Here guys, you will see some options. Click on Video Effects. Then click on Colors. And if this extension is selected, this box is selected. So unselect and click on Save and close it. So this is the method you can fix this color problem in VLC Media Player. Click on Tools, Effects and Filters, then Video Effects, Colors, and unselect this color extension. Then save it. So this is a simple trick. So this is the simple setting to fix this error. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.